Hello again, Dylan here from Makita, New Zealand, and we're about to check out our cordless top handle pruning chainsaw. It's the DUC254 and it's here to impress its way into your garden tools. It's another great tool where we've done away with battling a pull starter, handling fuel, dead spark plugs and blocked air filters. And at just 3.2 kilos with a battery on the back, get this tool in your hands and the lightweight conventional feel of the DUC254 is going to be pretty hard to look past. And with just one battery delivering a huge 0 to 1200 meters per minute of chain speed. And with a variable speed trigger, you have all the control of the power while you're working. With the charge of that one battery, the saw's going to provide power for up to an unreal 250 cuts in 90mm pine. Plus, with the hold of a push button, you'll put the saw into boost mode, and then you're going to increase the torque output by the saw by 50% when you need it. With safety in mind, we've also included a simple push button on-off switch. With auto power off function, the saw will automatically shut off when operation is delayed. This is going to extend battery life and it's maximising safety, avoiding accidental starts between uses. The conventional handle and front handguard too is engineered to engage the chain brake when required, while at the same time isolating the trigger electrically. It's built with our Makita's XPT for added protection. Our unique extreme protection technology, it's a series of seals and channels engineered to direct dust and water out of the saw for increased durability and longevity of your tool. Our DUC254 chainsaw is ready to take on almost any job you have, coming standard with a 250mm 10-inch bar and protective cover. If the DUC254 cordless chainsaw is the tool for you and you want to find out more or take a look at our range, head to www.makita.co.nz.